everybody, so it's time. It is Monday, so it's Mystery Monday, and I picked this bag. So I have no idea what it is. I don't think it's a Disney because I just can't spot any Disney-ish faces or fonts or whatever. So I think there should be an animal on it because I can see a little bit of fur, but a lot of colors as well. So I have no idea what this is. I would say let's start the jigsaw and find out. So that was not what I expected. So I thought there was a cat somewhere on this picture, but this cat is a little bit chunky. And yeah, the background is what I thought is that it's more like a cartoon in this style, but actually it's a cat. It's a cat, and she is surrounded. I think this is Japanese. And yeah, I don't know what she's doing there and what this is. So maybe a craft station or something, or I mean, you can see little things. Looks like toys. Well, I don't know. But this cat is quite cute. So okay, I have to find out which brand this is and which title it has, and I'll leave the details in the description. And yes, that was another Mystery Monday. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want to support me, just hit the like button. Thank you very, very much. See you next time. Bye bye.